Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about message mailboxes that is used to intertask communication and synchronization. Now, the learning outcomes are after completing this session, student will be able to use management call functions of message mailbox. So, how the mailbox is sent, how it is deleted, how it is created. So, all these things, all the syntax we will learn in this video. Message mailboxes. A message mailbox is a MuCOS2 object that allows a task or an ISR to send pointer, variable or message to another task. So that will allow a task or an ISR to send pointer, variable, message to different tasks. This is the symbol of mailbox. the, the task wants to send the messages. So there are various services provided by the mailboxes. That is first one, OS mbox create, mbox delete, mbox post option, and from ISR also can send the message, and it will receive the message, it will accept, it will pend mbox query, and for ISR. Now let us discuss all the functions one by one. Basically there are main 6 functions: create, delete, post, and accept, pend, and query. So let us discuss it one by one, and we will find out the management call functions. So mailbox management call functions, in that the available functions are creating a mailbox. First one we have discussed in previous slide, that create, mbox create, deleting a mailbox, waiting on a mailbox, that is reading, then signaling a mailbox, getting a mailbox without waiting, that is accept, and obtaining the status of mailbox, that is query. So we will start from the creating a mailbox. Now it is having simple syntax, that is OS mbox create, and in that there is one argument, that is message. So message is what? A pointer to message to deposit in the mailbox. It is one message is one what? It is a pointer to a message to be deposit in the mailbox. Now if it is null, it means mailbox is empty and used to signal occurrence of a event if it is null. Now if it is not null, then mailbox is used to access shared resources. It will return some errors. First one, non-null for successful creation, means if it will return non-null value, then successful creation of mbox is done. Now if it will return the null value, then the mbox is not created properly, so it will fail to create mbox. So this is what its syntax, very simple. Here we want to create a mbox and we are passing the null value. Now if mbox is not null, then tell me, then what? The mailbox is created successfully, and if mbox is null, then the mbox is not created. Second is how to delete the mbox or deleting a mailbox. Its syntax is OS mbox delete, and it will pass 3 arguments: prevent, option, and error. Now argument first, prevent a pointer to mailbox to be deleted. And options, there are two options. It will, first option is it will delete always, and second is it will delete if no pending task. So there are two options, and there are various error pointer. First one is no error, called from ISR, invalid option. There are task pending, prevent is null. So there are these many errors, and last one is prevent is not a mailbox. So these are the error pointers we can get. The important is this one. You have to pass two arguments for options. First one is delete always and delete if no pending task. Here we have passed this pointer to mailbox and error pointer, and this is what OS delete always. So you have to mention the two of any one option from two options. Now next is waiting for a message at a mailbox or reading. Syntax is OS mbox pend, and again in that we have to pass three arguments. First one is prevent, timeout and error. Prevent is a pointer to mailbox to pend to. Now the important argument is timeout. So if I will pass 0, then it will wait forever, and if I will pass not 0, then it will wait for a specific timeout. And there are certain error pointers. First one is no error, timeout, prevent is not a mailbox, prevent is null, and last one is it is called from a ISR. Next is sending a mailbox to a sending a message to a mailbox. This is another service provided by the mailbox, and the syntax is OS mbox post. In that we are passing two argument. First one is prevent and second one is message. So first one argument, that is pointer to mailbox to post to, and second is a pointer to message to send, and it will return value the errors. Means you have to send a pointer here. Means the important argument is what, this message one, and in that argument you have to pass the pointer of a message which is to be sent. Again it will return the errors, that is no error, mailbox is full, prevent is not a mailbox, prevent is null, and prevent posting a null pointer. So this can be all errors while using the mbox OS mbox post. Next service is what, getting a message without wait or suspend. It is again very simple function to use. OS mbox accept, and in that we are passing only one pointer of mailbox. So prevent is what, a pointer to mailbox to pen to. Now it will return value. First it will return not null value when if message is received, and second is if it will run null value if any case of error or mailbox is empty. So important point is this to return value, this one. If it is written null, then message is if it is written not null, then message is perfectly received, and if it will return null, then there are two ways of error. First one is in case of any error, and the second one is mailbox is empty. Now the next service is obtaining the status of mailbox. Again its syntax is OS mbox query. Means we want the status of the mbox, that's why we are using mbox query. In that we are using two arguments. First one is prevent and pdata. Prevent is what, a pointer to desired mailbox, and pdata is what, a pointer to returned mailbox information. So that pointer is of there is one memory, or we can say one information of mailbox is available, and the pointer of that information is the p data. So p data is what, a pointer to the return mailbox information. Again this function will return the error values. First one is it will return no error, or prevent is not a mailbox, again prevent is null. So So in this way you can use all the mailbox functions. So simply there are 6 services provided by the mailbox. Now up till now we have discussed various functions of mailbox. First one is how to create the mailbox, that is creation of mailbox, deletion of mailbox, that is blocking, then signaling of mailbox, OS mbox post, creating mailbox without waiting, that is OS mbox accept, and obtaining the status of mailbox, that is OS mbox query. Now let's move on to the next video.